Hello and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we are going to talk about the best Halloween mask tattoo available in the market.
The COKOHAPPY Halloween Temporary Face Tattoos Makeup Kit. This kit includes 13 packs of temporary face tattoos that are perfect for Halloween, Day of the Dead, or any costume party. The COKOHAPPY Halloween Temporary Face Tattoos Makeup Kit comes with 13 complete kits, making it perfect for families or parties. These face tattoos are waterproof, non-toxic, and safe for all ages. They can last up to 2 to 5 days and are easy to apply in just 10 to 20 seconds with water.
The design includes sugar skulls, floral patterns, black skeletons, red roses, and more,
making it the perfect addition to any Day of the Dead or Halloween costume. To apply these tattoos, you will need to cut them apart and carefully apply them to your face using a damp cloth or sponge. Make sure to dry your skin before applying the tattoos. The tattoos can be easily removed using rubbing alcohol, body oil, or olive oil. While the product has received mostly positive reviews, some customers have mentioned that the tattoos can come loose with facial expressions. It is recommended to cut the tattoos into smaller pieces for easier application. Additionally, removing the tattoos may require some patience and the use of oil for a smoother process.
Overall, the COKOHAPPY Halloween Temporary Face Tattoos Makeup Kit is a great choice for anyone looking to add an extra touch to their Halloween or costume party. With its unique and colorful designs, waterproof features, and easy application, this kit is sure to impress your friends and family. Get yours today and have a spooktacular Halloween. That's it for today's video on the COKOHAPPY Halloween Temporary Face Tattoos Makeup Kit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.